can the ZV-E10 output 100 frames a second in 1080 via HDMI? And I am happy to tell you that yes it can. But there's a couple things you need to first make sure in terms of your settings that are dialed in. Number one, first you got to do is go to your menu, right? So you go to menu, and then from menu, make sure you go to your second menu, page C1, right? Now here it says, I'm looking at shoot mode for S&Q. It's grayed out, right? So the reason it's grayed out because I'm not in S&Q mode right now. So go to S&Q mode by hitting the button up top on the ZV-E10, and then that brings you into slow motion mode. And so from there, go back to menu. Now you'll notice it's not grayed out anymore. So one of the things that you'll notice here is that the shoot mode is program auto. I want to adjust that, right? And I want to go to S&Q manual exposure, so that way I can dial all my settings in. Now, if I'm shooting 120 frames per second, most likely to get the appropriate motion blur, I'm going to bring that up to 250, ISO, whatever. You can adjust your shutter speed as you see fit. You want to get your exposure right. In this case, ISO, probably bring that up to like 1600. Probably maybe more because I'm in S-Log3 right now. And then from there, just go ahead and connect your HDMI cable. And then once I plug that in, now micro HDMI, there you go, got it in. And you will notice there is a signal going out while I am in S&Q mode, 120 frames per second. And then go ahead and press record, boom, press record. Let me just go ahead and jump right into the podium. This is the location. It's going to be probably slow motion. There's the camera. Let's go ahead and cut that recording, see what that looks like. And we cut. Now we play back. And let's see, play back, waiting for it. There you go, press play. And we shall see the video playback. Now you'll notice when I play back, playing back via HDMI, it is playing back on the monitor and not on here. And you'll see that it recorded just fine. You saw me getting into the position a little bit. There you go, slow motion, pop it in. The person I was recording earlier is 6'2" some inches, so it's gonna be hard to, that's why my height is not there. I'm just a couple inches shorter than that, but there you go. If you wanted to know, does the ZV-E10 record in 1080p slow motion? It does. I hope that answers your questions. Let me know if you have any other questions. Be glad to help you out. And that's it. See you soon.